Hey guys, working on an MS 440 Stihl today, and I had a guy who wanted me to swap out the fuel tank. He had a leaking factory fuel tank, and when the Farmer Tech tank came, it had a new fuel line in it. And I'm sure that you guys have either purchased these aftermarket fuel lines or thought about it. They're available on eBay for next to nothing, really cheap, usually $1 a fuel line or something like that. Anyway, I just want to share with you kind of the quality that that comes with them. First of all, this is an OEM fuel line from Stihl. Usually they're green. Pretty good quality fuel lines. They're pliable enough that you can, flex them as you need to, and they don't come apart whenever you put a fuel line into the or put a fuel filter into the end of it. The fuel line that came from that tank was a like I said, it was Farmer Tech branded. It was a Hutzel type setup, and I just want to show you what happened there. Their quality control might not be the best, because inside this fuel line, the actual hole part of it was all the way over on one side, and actually whenever it came pre-installed from the factory, I actually started up the saw and ran it for a little bit, but it was split where the fuel filter mounted in there. So right off the bat, this saw was running lean and not able to be utilized properly. So just beware whenever you're using these kind of kits. The quality on them, they're usually a lot stiffer, and quality control in them is usually non-existent, as you can see in these little pieces here. Hopefully you can get a good idea of just how poorly these are made in China. So I'm just saying, buyer beware. OEM fuel lines are probably just about the way to go whenever it's coming to chainsaw parts. So what I ended up doing was cutting the center part of this fuel line out on the new one, and I ran some Tygon fuel line through it. I just used regular fuel line for that saw, and it works just fine for that purpose. So hey, thanks for watching.